What's up guys, I'm Brent with PrecisionLED.com, and here we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander we're going to be performing an LED fog light installation on. Now the 2018 is part of the 3rd generation Highlander, so this installation is going to be compatible with all years 2013 plus. Today we're going to be installing a PrecisionLED Premium Cree fog light kit, which come with 2 LED bulbs, 2 LED ballast, as well as a couple 3M mounting pads to mount the ballast. Now, in order to gain access to the fog bulb, we're just going to be working from underneath the vehicle just through this paneling right here. And in order to remove this paneling so that we can access the bulb, we're just going to have to remove 2 bolts, this one and this one right here. And you could do so just with a 10mm socket and socket wrench. So let's just go ahead and remove those right now. And now that we have the bolts removed, we're actually just gonna have to pry this paneling from outside of the bumper. So we're just gonna be taking our fork-shaped wedge tool. We're gonna be coming in. Just go ahead and work your way down until everything else comes loose. And now we can access the bulb just through here. So here we are inside of the bumper, and we're gonna have to remove the halogen bulb right here from the housing. But before removing, we're first just gonna wanna disconnect this power connector right here. And in order to do so, we're just gonna press down on this clip and then just pull away. And now we'll just reach in, grasp the bulb, twist the bulb counterclockwise, and then just pull out. So before installing the LED bulb, we're just going to want to make this plug connector right here. And this connector right here is the stock harness coming from the vehicle. And we're going to be connecting that to this power connector right here coming from the ballast. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now it's important to note that these bulbs, they are actually polarity specific. So if the light does not come on the first time around, the first thing I would do is just flip this power connector around. And now let's install the LED bulb into the housing. When installing, we're gonna want to be installing the LED bulb in the 3 o'clock position, like so, and then we'll be twisting the bulb into place in the 12 o'clock position. Everything is seated flush and the bulb is in the 3 o'clock position. And so we'll just twist the bulb to lock it into place in the 12 o'clock position. So now that the LED bulb is installed and working properly, we can now mount the ballast. We've decided to mount the ballast just right here on the sidewall. It's a nice flat surface, but before mounting, we're just going to want to be sure that the surface is free from any dust or dirt. And so you would want to wipe it off just with some degreaser and a cloth before mounting. And we'll just go ahead, just mount the ballast right here on the sidewall. You would just want to be sure to apply some pressure to the ballast to make sure that you have a solid connection. So now we could just go ahead, place this paneling back inside of the bumper. You just want to take your tool and do the exact opposite of what we did earlier. You're just going to be prying inside the bumper, just like so. Let's just get all of the paneling placed inside of there. So now we can just re-screw in these bolts here.
And that's the end of the installation. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at help@precisionled.com, or you can reach us online and submit a support ticket at www.precisionled.com/contact. Now, like we said before, please like or subscribe if you enjoyed the video or enjoyed the process for what we do. It really does help us out when we make the next one, knowing that there's people out there watching the videos. Have a good one.